Hi, welcome back to the Three Sons Foods YouTube channel. Today we're making traditional Venezuelan arepas with our Colombian friend who's lived in Venezuela for many years.
Señorita, bonita, Carmen!
Hi!
So we started off by boiling 4 chicken breasts with 6 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of salt. And then we're going to shred it up with our hands and add these seasonings.
Okay, for that we are going to need ground pepper, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, 2 teaspoons each one. Also bell pepper, whatever color is fine, and onion, chopped into julian.
And so now we're going to make our arepas dough.
We are going to need 2 cups water, two teaspoons salt, 2 tablespoons sugar. This is optional, but it tastes better. And at the end, 2 cups white cornmeal. Assistant, can you give me the pan? No, that's not pan. Pan means bread in Spanish. That's correct. Thank you.
So we're going to slowly add this in and then just knead it together. And so while she's doing that, I'm going to start shredding the chicken. Welcome back. So we just finished shredding our chicken and making our dough. And now we're going to saute our bell peppers and onions. So first we're going to add a little tablespoon of oil to the pan. And we're just gonna.
It's okay, yeah.
So she's just checking if the pan's hot enough right now.
Put the vegetables.
And so you want to save a little bowl of like the broth that you cook the chicken in.
Mix.
So we're just adding our chicken to the our vegetables that we're sauteing right now. And we're just gonna keep mixing it around.
Mix. Okay.
So we added about 2/3 of our chicken.
If you need, you can put a little more oil.
So we're gonna make a bolo, and that's one of the taco things, so it's made with bread. And the bread stuff is this.
Voy primero,
Great.
debemos hacer unas pequeñas bolitas.
It's a small ball.
Balls.
Bolita is bowl. Ball. So she's making a
mis
small
manos.
ball
With
your
my
hands.
Mhm.
And it's made of dough. Pan. Not frying pan. Pan. Right. So she's gonna make a lot of these small bowl hands. And
Después,
put them on this thing, and then she's gonna patty cake them. Like he's doing. And then we're gonna set them on fire for a bit on that, and then that's gonna make tacos. We put the pan in the pan with a little bit of oil into it, and with the fire, we cook it with the fire, and it's golden brown. Yeah!
just say pan on the pan.
Pan on the pan with a little bit of oil. We cook it with fire till it's golden brown.
You can see the arepas.
We have 10 of them.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. knowledgeable, son. Show me how.
So you just grab an arepa,
Yeah.
cut it in half.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
Ow.
It is really hot.
It is really hot.
Yeah.
That's why I use a napkin.
That makes sense. Okay.
Now
Now
just
what?
put chicken in it.
We just put it on the plate. My God, it's evaporating all the water that touches it. It's very hot.
Put chicken in it. Please, sir. No, not my chicken. Grab your own chicken. Right? So now you just put Diablo Verde.
I got this.
I don't got this.
Okay.
Let's go. So now you put the cheese in it.
Yeah. Is this enough cheese?
Yes.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah, it's cool. Sorry, bro. And then eat it. That's the last step.
Right here, show me how.
You just grab the arepa.
Oh, like a sandwich.
Yes, and then you like bite it. That's all. It's very hard, but you can do it.
Not so.
Are they good or not?
No.